What is good, everybody? I'm be going over today's trade recap. Today is June 4th, 2026. Pretty short day, pretty quick. Honestly, it took like maybe 3-4 minutes for today. I forward tested today because I already banked during London session. I don't need any more. Oh, that's obvious. But this is where I'm at right now. I need another 4K day. I'm chilling. Holy, this trade's playing out right now. And that sucks. There's like probably like a 30-second right here. We're in a 5-minute and we're bouncing up. Wow. This could have been like this type trade. Anyway, I'm gonna leave that. I'm gonna leave this. I'm gonna do this. Do this real quick. And then we'll, yeah. But anyway, so going over today's trade recap, I'm gonna go into replay mode. So market opens and this is 6:30. I had a pretty bullish bias going into this morning. We're accumulating and then we're manipulating. So AMD model, accumulation, manipulation, go down, lower, and then we distribute higher. The reason why I went into this trade was because we had all these highs we had to take out and we have not tapped into any higher time frame key levels. We also had an SMT down below, a very obvious setup. The reason I got, and I would have taken the 30-second here, so it would have been around here. I would have had a limit order here, or if I wanted to, I could have gone lower down here and just limit order and then put my stop loss all the way down to the swing low, for however many contracts. Holy edge TP. I think I got stopped out on that trade, but that's okay. Anyway, so this is the trade. It would have been 34 points. And I think it came back down here. Yeah, so it would have tapped me in there, and then my TP would have been here to the hourly. My stop loss probably like down here to the base. And boom, there you go. If you wanted to, you could have trailed your stop loss to bottom of this wick the moment after, I don't know, like after this one formed, like, or close to this fair value gap, but either way TP would have hit. And if it didn't hit and it retraced back down, you would have made 5K. But that was the first trade. And then my buys went from long to shorts. The reason why it went to shorts is because we're in a selling conditions right now. We're just in a downtrend. There's no reason to long. You kind of just want to follow the trend, and the trend was pretty much just shorts and overselling. So the other condition for me today was this 1-minute inversion right here that needed to happen, and it did happen. And we inversed this 1 minute after tapping into this hourly. If I wanted to, I probably could have gotten off of like a 30-second. There is no 30-second, unfortunately. So that 1 minute was the condition for today. So after we do that, go, and then boom, right there. I'm in. And then my stop loss would have been at the top of the inversion, so the candle that we inversed. So it would have been 3K. Risk whatever you're comfortable with. There is 2 target areas that you could have taken. You could have taken the 630, or you could have gone all the way down to this low. So if you wanted to, right here. So you made 13K, or you could have made 9K, whichever one you're cool with. It's just that this one would have probably took longer. So we go. If you want, you could take profits here, like for three cons, maybe 2 cons, whatever you want, just to secure some profits. Then leave runners down here, because we start to retrace back up. But I'm pretty sure there's like a 5-minute up here. So if I check right now, yeah, there's a 5-minute right here. So you could have, and like, oh, this 5 minutes gonna protect me because we're bouncing off the 1 hour. So there's a 5-minute up there. This is another entry right here. Honestly, this is a 1-minute inversion. Could have tried that. You got stopped out, but this entry was very good. We went up twice. This, you could have retried it again right here as well. There's another 1-minute inversion. And then boom, there is your trade. After we take out these lows, honestly, you could have taken this long, this 1 minute, all the way up to here. The only reason you could have taken this one is because we have an SMT here. And this is the other trade you could have taken. Stop loss would be here. And you hold all the way to the hourly if you want. So this would be stop. And then your take profit would have been to the hourly. Then your stop loss would be at the inversion. And if you want, you could do the bottom, but 25 points, 36 points. See, all these are very low, like amount of points. That's more ideal. Honestly, you just want to do one contract, but this would have been 3K. This would have been like, this would have been like 17K. This is close to 3K again, or not 17, or 1700. This is close to 3K. This is for sure 3K though. But yeah, if you hold this and hold it until the hourly, and boom, there's your take profit by the tick. And yeah, looks like we did get stopped out, unfortunately, I think. But that trade is playing out. It's this one right here. I got stopped out by a few points, but I would have probably taken this for a very quick, like short stab. All like around here. And then for 28 points, not too crazy. This is a very small amount. This would have been 2K, but crazy day. Pretty good VA. Shorts, longs, shorts, longs. And yeah, honestly, I could just get in here. I'd probably put my stop loss here and then take profit there. But yeah, not much else for me to go over really. This is pretty much it. This is the end of the day. I think the reason why we're not going any higher is because we have an SMT above. But we are over like extended with price. Well, like we should go a little bit more higher. This could be break even right here, this high. Then watch this play out. But if not, I'll just end the recap right here. But this might be it. Just taking a minute. It is what it is. Yeah, it's failing way too many times. At this point, you're better off like shorting. Maybe this 1 minute right here, short to who knows where. The day's done. Like these were the moves right here. All these trades. All these 3 trades were very good trades. These are the 3 moves. There's no reason for us to go higher. I don't think there is. But yeah, I think that's it. I think that's it for today's trade recap. I'm already done. I will catch you guys in the next one. Feel free to comment and ask questions, and I will catch you guys later.